Today we're working on Excel Lesson 3 Apply. You should have this lesson opened up. Go ahead and save it like you save everything, putting your initials at the end. And we'll start with step 3, which says insert a header that has your name at the left, date code in the center, page number code at the right, and change back to normal view. So if I click insert header and footer, I'm going to put my name in the left, go to the center, I'm going to click current date, go to the right and select page number. I'm going to hit escape, view, and then go back to normal view. Step 4 says in cell A12, so click on cell A12, use pick from drop down list to enter Village Green. I'm going to right click. When in doubt, right click. Pick from the drop down list and select Village Green. Step 5 says click cell A13 and make the following entries using autocomplete where applicable and pressing enter after each. So this will be Mike's Steakhouse. Hit enter. Gribaldi's, R-I-S-O-R-A-N-T-E. 15, Java Cafe. You notice when I type the letter J, it automatically starts to fill in, so that's what I want, so just hit enter. Same thing with Cafe Latte and Village Green. So when I type the first letter and then I just hit enter and it fills those in for me. Cool thing that Excel does. Step 6, click cell B12 and make the following entries exactly as shown using autocomplete where applicable and pressing enter after each. So the first one says white bread. When I type the letter W, it wants to put wheat bread, but that's not what I want, so I'm going to type white bread. The next one is pastry assortment. Oh, look at there, already in there, so I just hit enter. Garlic bread, hit enter. Muffin, A-S-S-O-T-M-E, spell it wrong on purpose because you're going to correct that later. And then this one we're going to spell correctly and hit enter. And then W-H-E, and you notice that that wants to type wheat bread, but that's not what we want. We want wheat rolls and hit enter. Step C7 says click cell C12 and make the following entries pressing enter after each. So 9, 200, 125, 100, 225, and 700. Step 8, click cell D12 and make the following entries pressing enter after each. So 9, 200, 125, 100, 175, 650, and hit enter. Step 9 says click cell D10 and change the entry to 0. So D10 is right here. I know I'm in the right cell because I see it up there. I'm going to type 0. Step 10, select or click cell D13 and change that entry to 160 and hit enter. Step 11 says click cell D15 and change the entry to 48, and then click cell A1. Step 13 says check the spelling in the worksheet. So we'll click review and then spelling. At the Gribaldi's, we're going to click ignore once because that is how you spell it. And then at the first misspelling, ristorante, edit the entry to read ristorante with the E right here. And we're going to change. And then at the next misspelling, assortment, make sure the right correction is selected. Assortment, and then click change. And then you'll have a message box says you're complete. Click OK. and your document should look like mine. Step 18 says to print the worksheet, which you know we don't do, so go ahead and save your document and submit it, and that completes lesson 3.